Well, today we're doing the Summer Blast clips from 2018. And oh man, this is the first one we've ever done so far that year. But now we are doing it next year in 2019. And the theme is Harry Potter.
Team using this one.
Whatever you want. The dates are still good on them?
Now is team using 7. Oh, made it. 7 for Team Rapunzel. Team Rapunzel. Then it's Team Flynn. Team using. I mean that. Is it Lynn? Is it Lynn? What? Yes. 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 Victory. Who? Okay, opens the way for the skull over there. Want to try the red? Want to try the bull or the red thief? My neck, my neck.
Yes, please.
I think that's Donald.
Honey?
Yes.
Yeah, that'll be great.
Rapunzel won it, and I'm going again. Then I'm going. This is how much the Falling Clue teams raised already. Team number 1 is Team Rapunzel. They got $16 and 19 cents for the month of June. So the ex-boyfriend won. The ex-boyfriend won. And now we're gonna play Black Hole. Technically we're playing Speed Demon now because we technically don't have enough Black Hole. Now you guys, check out the items I won. did so much better than you guys. I made $20.15. Wow, really? How's that even possible? Well, I worked a lot to get the money. Valiant. You're the little so valiant. You're so valiant. You're the little now. Yeah, and now we ladies.
Maybe.
Hamlet's got him.
Yes.
Now we only need Nick Wilde.
Are you gonna do something else? Another game?
What a haul!
That is a haul. Wow.
What a haul! What a haul it is!
Oh. Who's playing that one?
Valiant! I won 2.
3, I think. I think it was 3.
1, 2, and wow,
Top
cool.
duck, lucky duck.
And one of them is a unicorn.
Oh, we dropped like Donkey Kong. Tweety Bird or the dog?
I think I'm going for the dog. Between his side and his, I don't know.
What do you think? Forward. What do you think? Okay.
I think he's from Wacko's Wildlife or something. Yes!
Peter Pan.
Oh, what did he hold? Oh, I don't know.
No, it was Peter Pan. It was Peter Pan. He said, at least my arm didn't get stuck. Look what happened to the last guy. Okay, now what do you think? The unicorn?
On the way to the activity, back to the way, check it out, keep it going, guys. Watch it move, watch it groove. Close to the beat. We got the winner, number 15.
What do you want?
Yeah, which one?
Hey, Rapunzel won.
Which one?
The fox. Panda.
Which color?
Oh, blue or green?
Forest green.
Green.
Winner.
And now we're gonna walk around now.
Shoot it up all the way to the top. Number 14 is winning. Go. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna win? Keep shooting in. We're gonna go now. Who wants that prize? Lucky number 14.
Yes!
Lucky number 14.
Pineapple if you get a small.
Okay.
And you have to get it into a... You have to stay in the cup. What? You just have to stay in the cup. Stay in the cup. Okay, we'll try once.
Copper back. Okay, we'll try one. Copper back.
Oh, let's try it.
The whole
That'll be
basket.
a lot. And then we can trade up, right? Anything? Okay.